I want to talk to you about the strategy of factoring polynomials. Things like this on a standardized test have to be done really fast and efficiently, and then you have to really know you're right so that you don't feel you even need to double check your work. Let's look at this polynomial. We got really quickly recognizing that we're breaking it down into this format, factoring a polynomial that's a negative 12, so one has to be positive, one has to be negative, right? This number times this number has to be negative 12. And this number times this number has to be 6. It starts getting messy, but you can track that. And so combinations that make 6, 1, 6, 2, 3. Combinations that make minus 12 are really just 12. We can figure out the minus in a second. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. And then we need something that adds up to give us this 1. Remember, there's really a 1 right there. So we need something that adds up to positive 1. So if I take, like, for example, 1, 6, and 1, 12, what combinations can I possibly make with those numbers? Well, 1, 6, 1, 12, I could make a 1, 1 times 1. I could make 1 times 12, that's 12. I could make 6 times 1, that's 6. And I can make 6 times 12, that's 36. These numbers are not useful to me because there's no way that they can add up to being 1. But here, this looks more promising, 2, 3, 2, 6. What if I paired this group here with this group here? Well, now I can make a 4. I can make a 12. I can make a 6. And I can make an 18. See that? 3 times 6, 18. All right. That's also not helpful. All even numbers. There's no way I'm getting back to a positive 1. Well, just keep going. What if I take this combination? Right? I say, well, now I can make a 9. Well, probably should have started there. I can make a 6. I can make 8. And I can make a 12. Well, I need something that adds up to being 1. Well, look at that. Those are 1 apart, right? So now I just need this to be a positive 1. So this one has to be negative. That's perfect. I just got to undo that train of thought, get back to here, into here, into here. I chose 2, 3, so that's 2x and 3x. I chose 8 to be negative, so that's going to be 2. Remember from here, that 4, so 2 times 4, negative. And then 3 here, so the 3 is positive. And that's a wrap. It's a factored polynomial. And as you get better at it, you start seeing these combinations with writing down almost nothing. And then you can really do it fast without having to spend a lot of time. And there's always a way to double check really fast at the end. You know, yes, of course, 3 and 4 does make 12. 2 and 3 does multiply together to get 6. Your insides is 9. Outside is minus 8. The 8 is negative, positive 9. That's plus 1. Double checked.